Hey guys, so welcome back. Today I'm gonna do the King's Court squishy tag. Okay, yep, so let's get started. So the first round, each round I'm gonna have 3 pairs of squishies. So I'm doing total of 3 rounds. Yep, so let's get started. So the first pair I have my HK donut squishy plus my Hello Kitty ice cream squishy. So repro and non-repro. So this or that. I'm gonna go for my Hello Kitty donut. Hello Kitty ice cream cone squishy. So textured. This is the reason why I prefer this more than that. Next I have this HK donut and this semi-cream puff squishy. See, non-repro. So this or that. I really don't know because I find these both equal to me. They are like so cute. I really like the pink color. It's so awesome. Yep, I'm gonna go for my semi-cream puff. Next I have this the Bear School Sweet Mascot squishy and this Real Kuma squishy. They're both well textured, so textured. And I like them both so much. I love bears. How can I dislike them? They're like so equally squishy. So this or that. I'm going for my Bear School Sweet Mascot. That's all for round 1. Now we're moving on to round 2. So I got the Aroma Tokyo Swiss Roll Cake, the vanilla flavor, or this Kyotori cupcake. This or that. I'm gonna go for, I have no idea. For the Kyotori cupcake, it's more cute and textured and so much more squishier. Yep. So next I have this macaroon plus this Rokuma macaroon squishy. It's the same chocolate filling, and both are like almost the same. It's a packet. Both are like the same to me, but I'm gonna go for this. Next I have this Bear squishy choco bear. It's well textured, not too defected. It's cute. I have this dark squishy. There's a magnet below. Yep. I'm gonna go for this. It's so cute and squishy. Really funny, very cute plus squishy. And I just love this so much. That's all for round 2. Next we're moving on to round 3. First for round 3 I'm having this what do you call it? The Bear School Sweet Mascot squishy. The one smaller version holding the lollipop. And this Ayuma Tokyo Swiss Roll Cake strawberry flavor. I'm gonna go for this or that. I have no idea. This one over here. Next pair is this Ayoma Tokyo Toast Bread, coffee flavor, or this HK donut in the soap one, right? Yeah. So this or that. Like, I really love this more. I have no idea which one to go for. This is really making me go mad. I'm gonna go for that. Do you look how slow rising that is? For the last squishy pair, I have my Birdio Turtle Squishy. Or my album shortcake. But I really like the turtle more than that. And I have no idea. I'm gonna go for the shortcake. Yep. So that's all I have. Now let's go to the final round. Final round, I have this winners. So I'm not very sure I have a lot. If you could see. I have no idea what to go for. So I'm gonna discard a semi-cream puff, my Rilla Kuma macaroni squishy, and I'm left with this. I'm gonna discard my Hello Kitty ice cream cone squishy, Sweet Berry mascot. I feel like I'm betraying my squishies, like for real. I'm left with these two. Who's gonna be the winner? Trust me, I have no idea. I have no idea. And I'm gonna go for Ayoma Tokyo Bread Toast. This is my winner, my final winner. Like, I love this so much for now, like, so much. So much. Thanks for watching my video, and put a thumbs up if you like this video, and please subscribe me if you forgot to. Bye guys.